I've spent the last year incredibly focused, building, creating. In fact, I've spent my whole life building, putting countless hours into something that I believe wholeheartedly will allow me to leave this place a little better than I found it. And I'm not unique in this way, right? We all have ambitions. We all work toward positive change in our lives. It's essential. But like everything in our world, there is more there than meets the eye.
This is what it's all about. Adventuring, living your life to the max. Because life is too short, make the most of it. So welcome back to a very early morning. If the camera likes to focus on my face, that'd be great. Forget the camera don't want to focus. But welcome back to an early morning. Today's another adventure, and well, yeah, I'm going all the way to So I've travelled to Nice, and then from Nice I've gone to Monaco. I've said it in all my videos, from New York to Los Angeles. Literally live your life to the best, live your life to the max full. Even if you don't have any money, literally just find somehow of getting out of the country and explore, because this is what it's all about, literally exploring. I've only been here for 3 days. It's my last day here, and basically, yeah, this is the end of it. As you can see in the background, that's the sunset right there. Really just like darker. There we go. That's the sunset over the ocean. I just want you to enjoy this view with me, because literally, not many people get to do this, where I get to travel the world, see different countries, go to some places that many people can't go. I shall catch you in 27 days when we go to California. I actually can't wait. Going back to California is literally going back home for me. So I can't wait.